In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable online payments. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make to turn off online payment acceptance in your account, and I'll point out what to look for on each screen so nothing feels confusing. By the end, you'll have the settings switched off confidently and know what it changes for your customers and your workflow. Start by heading to the section labeled Payments on the left side of your screen. This is usually part of the main navigation panel or sidebar. When you click into Payments, you're opening the area that controls how your account handles charges, methods, and related settings. If your navigation is collapsed, look for the icon that represents payments and expand it to view the full label before clicking. Once you're on the Payments page, move your attention to the upper right corner. There you'll find a button or menu labeled More Actions. It may appear as text or as an icon with 3 dots. Click More Actions to open a small menu with additional controls that aren't shown by default on the main page. From that menu, choose Accept Online Payments. Selecting this takes you to the specific control panel for the Online Payments feature. This is where the system determines whether customers can complete transactions online through your invoices, checkout links, or embedded payment forms depending on what you use. On this screen, you'll see the option to disable the feature. It might appear as a disable button or a toggle that clearly indicates the feature can be turned off. Before you click it, take a moment to review any notes or descriptions on the page so you understand the impact. Disabling online payments stops new online transactions from going through until you re-enable the feature later. When you're ready, click Disable, and then click Confirm on the confirmation prompt that appears. That confirmation step is important. It's there to ensure you intend to make this change since it affects how customers pay you. After you confirm, the system will update the status and you should see a clear indicator that online payments are now disabled. That's it. To keep things smooth, let your team or stakeholders know that online payments have been turned off and consider updating any customer-facing messages so there's no confusion at checkout or on invoices. If you ever need to turn the feature back on, you can return to the same area and reverse the change